Preparation and standardization of Laxvati. Starting with the very basic term, when we talk about formulation, is Ayurveda. As we all know, Ayurveda is the oldest form of healing system. It is heavily practiced in India and Nepal. It believes that health and wellness depends on the delicate balance between mind, body and spirit. Herbal formulation. Now what is herbal formulation? It is the form of dosage which contains two or more herbs in distinct quantities that will diagnose the disease and treat it. There are various forms of herbal formulation like extracted oil, vatis, juices, etc. The process for herbal preparation includes extraction, distillation, concentration, fermentation, and other chemical or biological methods. Standardization. It is used for measuring and confirming the quality, identity, and purity of the formulation, which are based on the concentration of active principle in the formulation. It is very fundamental requirement of industries and other organizations that deals with the Ayurvedic and herbal products. Laxvati. The formulation that we are going to see in this entire presentation is about Laxvati, which we have prepared in our lab. This vati is 100% herbal tablet that helps to provide relief in acidity, stomach disturbance, gas, constipation, and other diseases. In the formulation, senna leaves and nishod are the active ingredients that helps to relieve the abdominal pain, stomach ache, and also relieves the other digestive problems. What are the benefits that we get from vati? It detoxifies the blood and provides relief during period pain. It also gives us relief from acidity. We can consume at least 2 tablets twice a day with water. There are no such side effects of Laxvati, but it should be always consumed only after consultation of your physician. Ingredients and their quantities. We have taken senna powder, sauf, sunt, ajwain, amaltas, nishod, mulethi and haritaki. Method of preparation. Now we will see how we prepared the amaltas extract that we will be using as our binder in the formulation. We weighed 50 gram of amaltas, added 150 ml of water and kept it for overnight extraction. Next day, we filtered it using muslin cloth and collected it in a conical flask. The next video shows the starting of our actual process for vati making. Now we are preparing the dough for our vati. First we'll add all our raw materials one by one. We are taking senna 150 gram, then sauf 25 gram, sunt 20 gram, then ajwain 10 gram, then nishod 5 gram, then mulethi 5 gram, which is also known as chestnut, then we'll add harad 50 gram, Lastly, we are adding the maltus extract that we have prepared, and after adding it, we will prepare the dough out of it. This is the second part of the video. After adding the extract, this is how it will look. We can add more water to it to make a proper dough. This is how will it look. Now our dough is ready. We will weigh 1.5 gram of dough to make a vati. We will be making all the vatis of 1.5 gram so that they will look in same proportion. We will make around 20 to 30 vatis and then we'll put them in the oven for around 24 hours. This is how our vati looked after being ready. Organoleptic evaluation. This is all about how our vati looked, that is how it tastes, what is the shape of it, the order of it, and color of it. Our vati is bitter in taste. It does not have any specific odor. It is round in shape and is in olive green color. Botanical evaluation. These are the cell structure and arrangement of cell in our formulation. We got light brown parenchymatous cell, oil duct, trichomes, and crystal oxalate. Physical evaluation. We performed physical tests like LOD, that is loss on drying, ash value, friability test, and hardness test. In LOD, we took first wet form of our vati, that is before drying. We weighed it and noted the weight, and next we put the vati in oven for 1 hour and later we weighed it again. The difference between the two values is our LOD value for formulation. Ash value. In this we incinerate the vati to determine the ash content. These are the values we took before and after putting the vati into incineration. Friability test. This test is done for in every pharmaceutical industries to test the durability of the tablet. These are the calculations we done. We took the initial weight of the tablets before doing the friability test and the weight after doing the friability test. There is a difference of approximate 0.655 gram. Hardness test. Hardness testing is done for checking the strength and ductility of the tablet or vati. This is the overall physical test observation table and their result. Chemical evaluation. We performed phytochemical analysis like test for tannins, alkaloids, glycoside, flavonoids, steroids, and saponins. This picture shows that which color indicates the presence of above phytochemicals. Like green color indicates the presence of tannin, yellow color indicates the presence of alkaloids, and so on. This is the final observation table for our ingredients that has presence or absence of phytochemicals. Chromatography of herbal drug. We have done TLC fingerprinting for identification and impurity detection in formulation. We use the mobile phase 2-propanol is to ethyl acetate is to water is to formic in the ratio of 8.8 is to 5.8 is to 0.2. We use the stationary phase silica gel F250. This TLC fingerprinting we got when we observe it under UV transilluminator. Biological evaluation. We determine the heavy metals, whether the heavy metals are present in our vati or not. So these were the final result. We got no heavy metals present in our vati. Microbial analysis. We took one nutrient agar plate. We spreaded our laxvati methanolic extract over the plate till it dries. We incubated it at 37 degrees Celsius for 24 hours. The result we got was there was no microbial growth was observed. We can conclude that our extract, that is laxvati, showed very less antimicrobial activity against the microorganism, and there was no zone of inhibition was observed in the methanolic control. This is the summary for our herbal formulation. That herbal medicine, in herbal medicine, various forms of plants are used in various diseases. In our formulation, Cinna is the major ingredient, which is also known as anthraquinone laxative, which is used to beat the constipation for bowel evacuation. We use dried powder of Cinna leaves for our investigation. The present paper deals with the formulation and evaluation of anti-constipation activity of laxvati, which was prepared from aqueous extract of Cinna. The standardization of the formulation was evaluated by tests like weight variation, friability test, hardness test, and disintegration time. Other phytochemical analyses were also done. The HPTLC fingerprinting and stability studies were also carried out. The parameters were found to be sufficient and within the limits and can be used as reference standard for the said formulation. Keywords for the summary is herbal medicine, standardization, HPTLC fingerprinting, reference standard. These are the references we used for making our presentation. Thank you.